Good morning, marketeers. Let's talk money. The big story today? Consumer confidence. UBS says American consumers are visibly tiring, and that could be a warning sign for the economy. If spending cools off, the S&P 500 might drop another 8%. But not everyone agrees. Some experts argue that what people say about the economy doesn't always match how they actually spend. We'll have to wait and see. Still, confidence is taking a hit. According to the Conference Board, expectations for the economy just dropped to their lowest level in 12 years. That might sound scary, but remember, the last time expectations were this low, back in 2013, the S&P 500 soared more than 60% over the next 5 years. Markets barely moved Tuesday. The Dow inched up 0.01%. The S&P added 0.16%, and the Nasdaq climbed 0.46%. Tesla was a winner on the day, gaining over 3% despite being down more than 25% this year. Analysts say weak sales in Europe are already priced into the stock, and new models could help Tesla bounce back. Elsewhere in stocks, UPS dropped 5% as investors worry about a consumer slowdown, and Kroger is suing Albertsons for allegedly sabotaging their planned merger. Let's move to real estate. Mortgage rates are still high, with the 30-year at 6.8% and the 15-year at 6.21%. And the pain is spreading. After lenders' warning, KB Home also reported weak demand this spring. They're now expecting to make $1 billion less in 2025 than originally forecasted. People are still touring homes, but not buying. In Chicago, city officials are launching a $1.25 billion bond investment to build affordable housing. They're also looking at cutting back regulations to make it easier for developers to increase supply. This is all part of a broader push to fix housing shortages as federal funding becomes less reliable. Now let's take a quick global tour. In Europe, Merck just signed a $2 billion deal for a Chinese-made heart drug, continuing the trend of U.S. companies turning to China for cheaper alternatives. EV sales are up more than 20% across Europe, but companies like Ford, Stellantis, and Tesla are still losing market share to local brands like Renault and SAIC. In crypto, Bitcoin is trading above $88,000. Ethereum is at $2,078, and XRP is holding steady. Trump Media just announced a partnership with Crypto.com to launch Made in America ETFs. Meanwhile, BlackRock is expanding with a new Bitcoin ETP in Europe, showing that demand for crypto investment products remains strong. And a big update out of Pakistan. The country launched its own crypto council to attract investment and regulate the market. With 60% of the population under 30, Pakistan is aiming to become a blockchain leader in the developing world. Before we go, here's your brief break. A Canadian couple is offering guided mushroom retreats for CEOs. Yes, you heard that right. Supervised psychedelic leadership training. Because apparently spreadsheets are more manageable when you're one with the universe. That's your market rundown for Wednesday, March 26th. If you found this useful, be sure to like, follow, and subscribe for more daily updates. See you tomorrow.